Hey friends, Shane from toolswrench.com, and we did some modifications to our ultrasonic workflow. One thing I always hated is that when you open this lid, and this is really hot water, that's the best way to use these, you get all this like condensation running off here. It makes a mess. So what I did is simply hot glued a magnet on here and then a matching magnet on the back, and then I've got a little one of these sitting on there. When I get done, I could just kind of throw that up there. Okay, and now I can take and get my parts out, and it's going to be a lot better workflow. Anyway, my friends, make sure and subscribe to the new YouTube channel. We have Tools to Wrench. Make it a great day, and as always, keep wrenching.